What's going on? It's Vince G, the SwoleNerd. I want to share some exciting news and give y'all a look into what I've been up to. For years, I've been putting out fitness content, sharing tips, workouts, and so forth on this channel. But my true passion has always been behind the camera, capturing moments and telling stories. That's why I'm rebranding this channel into SwoleNerd Productions. It'll now focus on my film content, from video podcasts and live streams to interviews, events, promos, tips and tricks, and more. I've had the privilege of working on some amazing projects, like shooting an exclusive video with Snoop Dogg, another with Fat Joe, working with the producer of Tiger King to help film some Netflix docs, and creating promotional content for local businesses. At SwoleNerd Productions, we take your content and put it on steroids, from concept to final edit. Every step is crafted with precision and creativity. If you're looking for someone to capture your next big moment or help elevate your brand with stunning visuals, reach out to me and we'll make something happen. But it's not just the projects, it's about the people and the stories behind them. I want to bring your content to life, whether it's a brand promo, an event, or a special moment you want to capture. Let's create something amazing together. Thanks for watching and welcome to the new SwoleNerd Productions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's take your content from NPC to main character.